will start by clicking User Management and then clicking Roles. Add a role, click the plus role button in the top right hand corner. First we will name the role. Next we will set the priority. Priority levels are based on hierarchy in the business. From there we will toggle through each one of the options. First you will make the necessary changes to the back office section. Next you will make any applicable changes to the POS section. Following that we will make any changes to POS operations that we see fit. Continuing on, we will make any changes to report accesses that we might need. Finally, we will tab on any necessary dashboard tabs. Once you are happy with your changes, make sure you select Save, and finally select Publish your changes to the POS. First, we will navigate to User Management and then click Roles. From here, we can see a predefined list of all available roles currently in the system. To make an edit to one of these roles, click the pencil icon. From here, we will click through each one of these tabs, make the necessary changes. This tab will cover all settings that the user will have access to in the back office. The POS section will cover things such as tender types, merging and transferring tables, and check summaries. POS operations will cover things such as till management, paid-ins, paid-outs, cashier out reports, and reprinting checks. This section will cover access to reports that users can run from the back office. Finally, the dashboard section will cover what panels the user has access to view in the back office. Once all changes have been made, click Update.